Yo, so first of all, I would like to recommend your outfit today.
Oh my gosh.
Really giving.
Yeah, this is like the
Pearls.
pearl of the Orient Seas.
Correct.
And, you know,
Perlas langanan.
yes, I am indeed. Very kagalang-galang. We have the sauna later. Just now.
Correct.
By the way, what is your question for today's video?
Sure, I would like to ask you this one. Like, how's life of being in call center despite of your age?
Oh my gosh. I think for that one, I think it won't matter if we talk about the age as a call center agent. It's just because it depends on what is driven inside with you and what is the motivation why you want to work here in a call center. So, may gosh, English lagi ko. And for me, I think probably there's a little maybe difference when you were like younger. But I can also say that it depends on your attitude. Because it's not about the age, but it's the attitude and the personality of being a worker as a person, having this kind of industry. Because I know this is really like we can say cruel.
Yeah.
And then it's like really stress is there. It's because your customers, sometimes you will laugh, sometimes you will be happy, and then you will be angry, mad. The emotions are mixed, and it's not that easy. And then you still have your own personal problem. So that's really amazing if you really stay here longer. So yeah, but I think I do believe that it won't long last. Of course, if you have more like you want to achieve in life, so I think you do maybe a step up, level up of your career, and probably you're going to abroad or you're going to use your profession. So like me, I'm a teacher, so probably I'm going to use that in the future, in the nearest future. So I have a backup, and that's very important.
And also, I would like to add on personally in my own when I heard you like taking calls personally. I heard you will say to your customer that don't forget to smile. I would like to know how would your customer react to it.
Actually, they're so happy at the end of the call. Some of them are not happy, but at the end, I reminded them that they need to smile despite what we have, you know, faced.